Good afternoon. It's August 21st, 2017, and the eclipse has passed us. An hour and 10 minutes ago it peaked here for us. So hopefully if y'all were close to it, you got to see a little bit of it. I'd seen him before. I've seen him flying in the service, chasing him with scientists. I've seen it, so I've seen him at altitude and I've seen him on the ground full. So it's a very, very interesting phenomenon. If you get a chance to see one, don't pass it up. We'll start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came in today on the E-mini. We had a 29 to 31 sell. We had a 19 to 21 buy. And you would have been able to execute in our 19 to 21 area. You'd closest, if you were really aggressive, want to put it on with coming out of bars low, you'd be in the 28 and a quarter area. So again, at early in the session, we do know where support and resistance are. Quadruple top, positive. You actually made a little money on this one, positive. This B right here, a little. That retest failure, positive. Then over the top, or those two S's would have made you some money. So there's pretty good trading today in the E-mini. We had it, and what sets off and gives us good trading in the E-mini? When it sells early in the session like that. That's where we get the extra volatility, etc. So we like for there to be sellers present, both sides of the market. Looking at our F1 screen, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Looking at our F2 screen, it's a P put in backwards, so short covering. We may have rejected prices below, well, we certainly did today, below 18, and we've got this low volume number at 1750. So low volume number kicked in, and there was a structural, or there was a tradable low at 18. So they got stops below 1750, and that was it. Did not get stops below 15. So we got a P put in backwards. Tomorrow's news, FHFA. Housing price index, housing prices, not index, is supposed to be up 0.5%. Richmond Fed at 11. So right now, if the market were to close, we're selling 29s to 31s, 34 to 36, sell 2. On the buy side, 19s to 21s, and 14 to 16. Didn't see a lot of interest in the market today. Didn't have a lot of people falling over themselves to get long or short. Looking at the note, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. F2 screen's a P. Didn't get a lot in the way of strength today with the early selling in the E-mini. So not a lot of interest right here. So 27.31, sell 1. 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, 17 to 21. I'm guessing 28 to the buck might hold. Given no news tomorrow, then 9 to 13 for buy 2. At the 30-year, guess we'll make 8 to 12 number 1, 15, 19 cell 2, 1, 23, 27 cell 2. I don't see that there's enough. 24, 28 number 1, by 17 to 21 by 1, by 9 to 13 number 2. Yeah, gold. We had 99s this morning, 94, 96, and 99, so 01 is a sell. We have a lower high and a lower low, so we can find a place to sell it. Looking at our F2 screen, didn't have a lot of range to work with. I mean, in fact, you know, that early sell in the 94, 96 just really did not develop, but we did get up to 99. So we'll make 99 to 01, sell 1, 4 to 6, sell 2. On the buy side, we'll make 92, 94 by 1, and then 88 to 90 by 2. Well, we got in, and crude today really had a great day in crude. It was, if you traded from the short side, you did well today. And it looks like, believe it or not, a higher high and a higher low. F2 will not agree with that F1 screen at all. So F1 says maybe you could buy it. F2 selling. So, you know, we've got pretty good support in this 47.50, 46.50, 47 area, and we've got pretty good resistance, 49, 48.75, 49, and that's kind of where we are right now. So maybe a little bit lower in London tonight, 47, 47.24 by 1, 46.50, 75 by 2. On the sell side, 75 to the buck, sell 1, 25 to a half, sell 2. And to the euro, pretty strong day to the upside. There'll be a lot of supposition back and forth about Draghi's speech at Jackson Hole, and that'll swing the market. So 119 even is pretty good resistance, and 117 minus is pretty good support. So my guess is they will be disappointed in what Draghi says. He won't tell them what they want to hear. He'll leave it open-ended. But you can see the selling right here in this 1850 area. So we'll try for 40 to 50. Then 75 for sell 2. On the buy side, we broke it out from 118 even, so 118, 118.10 by 1. 1775 by 2. That does it for this August 21st, 2017. I'll see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.